In this session, we are going to discuss History Chapter 1, which is Heritage of India. Chapter, it includes two words, heritage and India. So first of all, we should know about India, then after what is heritage. Okay, India, area wise, in the world, India is at seventh rank. Okay, so before that, which 6 countries area that higher than India? So Russia, Canada, China, America, Brazil, Africa, and 7th number is also India. So you can simply remember as Ruk, Chin, Ab, A, Bharat, which is one tree. You can simply remember R stand for Russia, K Canada, Chin, Ab America, B Brazil, A Africa, and Pa Bharat. So India. Whenever our constitution makers made constitution, then discuss about what is our country name, India or Bharat. So some gave opinion that we should name our country India, and other said that it should be Bharat. But constitution maker Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar said that we adopt India and Bharat both. Okay, so article number 1, our constitution said that India or Bharat is a union. Okay, so in population wise we are at the 2nd rank after the China. Okay, so what is heritage? Heritage, two types of heritage are there. First is natural heritage and second is cultural heritage. Natural heritage includes mountain, river, desert, stream. So these are all included in the natural heritage, which gives our forefathers, means our ancestor, to us. Okay. Second one is cultural heritage. Cultural heritage means, what is culture? Culture means a way of life, in which way we are eating, speaking. Okay. So it is called a culture heritage. Other words, culture means a way of life. In other words, our value, customs, traditions and habit which makes our human life to the great level, it's called a culture. Okay. In one time, board asked previous year one question that blank are realized from Indian culture. So your answer will be Sat, Chit and Ananda. Okay. In India, previous time, ancient time, many European people, Portuguese, Britishers were came and settled here. So due to mutual exchange from our culture to those cultures. So in ancient time, सिंपली हम क्या पहनते थे एंशियंट टाइम में, तो धोती और जो कुर्ता पहनते हैं वो खाकी. ओके, लेकिन अभी हम जीन्स पहन रहे हैं तो वो क्या है, जो वेस्टर्न साइड अमेरिका और वहाँ का कल्चर हमने अडोप्ट किया है, लेकिन वो लोगों ने हमारा कोई भी कल्चर अडोप्ट किया है नहीं. यू कैन नेवर सी वन फॉरेनर हु वॉर धोती एंड जब्बा. सो दैट लाइक फेयर्स ऑफ गुजरात. दिस इज गिवन ऑन द चैप्टर 1 पेज नंबर 1. पेज नंबर 2 and 3 was given some mountain, rivers name, which is, and also cultural heritage of India, cultural heritage of Gujarat, which is not greatly important from our exam perspective. So directly page number 4, which is fairs of Gujarat. Books given 15 fairs, but with simply 2 or 3 which is most important for our exam is Gol Gadeda Fair, where it is held at Garbada, which is in Dahod. This is fair of Gujarat. First, Gol Gadeda Fair, where it is held in Garbada, Dahod. Second one is Bhanguria Fair, which is held at Chota Udaipur. And third one is Votha Fair, most important, which is held at Dhodka. Okay. In Dhodka place, there is a 7 rivers combined flowing and joined together. So this is Dhodka Fair, Votha Fair, which is held at Dhodka. Okay, वहाँ पे 7 रिवर्स है, एक दूसरे को मिलते, इसलिए वहाँ पे जो है वो वोठा फेयर है वो हेल्ड होता है. ओके. इंडिया, लैंड एंड पीपल. यहाँ से असली चैप्टर हमारा स्टार्ट होता है, जो एग्जाम में कई बार क्वेश्चन देखने को यहाँ से मिलते हैं। फर्स्ट, नेग्रिटो विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड हब्सी पीपल, ओके, वेयर इट केम फ्रॉम, कहाँ से आए थे? प्लेस, अफ्रीका वाया बलूचिस्तान, ओके, वो लोग अफ्रीका से बलूचिस्तान आए थे। फिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, they are black in color, height 4 to 5 feet and curly hair, okay. Once again, Negrito, Hapsi people came from Africa via Baluchistan. Physical characteristics, black in color, 4 to 5 feet height and curly hair. Second is Australoid Nisad people. Some historians believe that before Negrito there is a Dravidian came before the Negrito, but some historians prove that before Dravidians there is a 5 or 5th community came from India and settled here, okay. So first we have seen Negrito, second one is Australoid, it is called a Nisad people, okay. A nickname, these nicknames are very important for our exam point of view in 1 mark question, either in MCQ or in a blank or one liner question. Australoid, it is also called Nisad people. Place where it came from South East Africa to India. Suppose this is the map of India. So Negrito came from Africa. You all know that this is Asia, Africa. So they came from here. Okay. Second, Australoid Nisad, South East Asia, North, South, East, West. South East means they came from Southeast Asia, Australoid people. Place, Southeast Asia. Physical characteristics, black skin, broad head, flat nose, short in height. Once again, physical characteristics, black skin, broad head, flat nose and short in height. Aryan who came later after Dravidians, Mongoloid, who called Australoid as a Nisad people, okay, which is very important for exam. Who called Australoid as a Nisad people? So your answer will be Aryan, okay. Next, today, Kol, Munda, Khasi, Assam, this tribe belongs to the eastern part. Here, 7 sister, it's called state. These seven sisters include this type of Kol, Munda, Khasi and Assam tribe, which is you can say one part of Australoid Nisad people. Which gift they gave to us? Clay utensil. क्ले यूटेंसिल मीन्स जो माटी का कोई भी जो पात्र वासन हम बोलते हैं वो. सेकंड, वो लोग है वो कॉटन क्लॉथ्स पहनते थे. जो आज हम क्लॉथ्स पहनते हैं तो ये स्टार्टिंग इस लोगों ने किया था, ऑस्ट्रेलॉइड पीपल. नेक्स्ट वन इज द्राविडियन. द्राविडियन इज द क्रिएटर ऑफ मोहेंजोदारो सिविलाइजेशन, विच इज बिलीव दैट मोस्ट एंशियंट सिविलाइजेशन. ओके, they gave one concept, mother, worshipping mother. They called mother as a goddess and the concept of Parvati was arise. They gave concept father as a god and the Lord Shiva. Today we are worshipping Lord Shiva and Parvati. This concept is given by Dravidians, which is the most influenceable people according these tribes. Okay, Dhup, Deep and Arati. Okay, we worship Shiva and Parvati. In second one, we also worshipping with Dhup, Deep and Arati. This concept is also given by Dravidian. Okay, nature and animal worshipping. Okay, today we are worshipping river, Lokmata. We said river as a Lokmata. This question is also asked in board. Okay, the word Lokmata is used for blank, so your answer will be rivers. Okay, animal worshipping. Intercaste marriage, which is one of the most significant important of these Dravidians who gave to us. Intercaste marriage. Today it is very difficult to do intercaste marriage, but at that time they were doing this type of intercaste marriage. They have also other skill like boat, craft, weaving, spinning, dyeing, etc. Okay, and later on this Dravidian was shifted towards the south and settled in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and they developed languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam. Okay. Next is Mongoloid, is also known as Kirat people. Okay. Some nickname which is given to particular caste or people is very important for your exam, like Mongoloid, Kirat, Negrito, Hapsi, okay, Australoid, Nisad. So you can simply remember this. North China via Tibet. Okay, North China here. Okay, so they came from North China via Tibet. Second one is physical characteristics. Yellow face means your face is yellow, flat face, chubby cheeks, and almond shaped eye. Okay, so Negrito, Australoid, Dravidians, and Mongoloid. Now, to remembering is remaining is first is Aryans, and then after preservation of heritage. Topic is Alpine, Dinaric, and Armenoid, where they came from. Area is came via Central Asia. Today, it is mostly found in Gujarat, Saurashtra, Maharashtra, Bengal, and Odisha. Okay, this is not greatly important for our exam. Next is Aryan, which is most influenceable culture. Okay, most of today we are doing in our culture is totally dependent on these Aryans. Okay, first, this is Aryans is the creator of Aryan Valley civilization. Next, they were mostly Hindus, and some people called as a Aryavrat. Okay, some people called as a Aryavrat. They mostly settled in Sapta Sindhu, which is 7 rivers flow. Okay, that's why this name is Sapta Sindhu area, means Punjab. Okay, Aryavrat means Aryans extend from Mithila, means Mithila is where Bihar. These extend from Bihar to Vindhyanchal, which is in south, east to south. Okay, these Aryans is extended from Mithila east to Vindhyanchal south. Next, like Dravidians, this is also a nature lover, tree, rivers, mountain, sun, wind, rain. Okay, they was worship this kind of tree, river, mountain, sun, and other things. Okay, and for worshipping these tree, rivers, and mountains, they formed also hymns, means today we call it a bhajans. Okay, for praying this type of natural things. They also contributed in Vedas and Yagna Yagnadi, which is called a Yagna Kund. Yagna Yagnadi means called a Yagna Kund. Okay, so foreigners or Indian tribes mutual interact with each other and amalgamate into one or others. Okay, so today most of the country influence with language, script, names, religious belief with one or another country. Okay, and last topic is preservation of heritage, which is mentioned in Article 51A. Article 51A states that we should protect our natural and cultural heritage. Okay, because our cultural and natural heritage is very rich. Okay, so what is stated that understand harmonious culture, prosperity, and preserve it. Okay, understand our very rich harmonious culture and our moral duty is to preserve it. Second, maintain forest and wild animals. Okay, do not hurt the wild animals and maintain forest, and show compassion means कि उसके प्रति हमको करुणा दिखानी चाहिए. Public property which is owned by government, all the public property which is owned by government, not to destroy this type of public property. And lastly, landscape, mountain, and other river, stream, which is pure, which is include purity, sanctity, and beauty. So we all should this type of things is protected by us. This is mentioned in Article 51A. So some question answer, you can simply pause this video and write down this question answer. First is short note on Aryans and Dravidians. Second one is explain constitutional duties for preservation and conservation of heritage. And third, Negrito, Australoid and Mongoloid were known as by which name. Okay, so this is the end of this first chapter.